everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I thought I would come to you with a very simple DIY for the fall. I'm working on styling my coffee table. I wanted something on my coffee table that I created, but I wanted something very simple. So I ran to my local Dollar Tree, and this project will cost anywhere from $6 to $8. Easy. I'm going to show you what I picked up. So first off, I picked up 2 glass cylinders. Both are different sizes. This one is taller than this one. I think this is like a 9-inch maybe, and this is like a 7-inch. Don't quote me. But I have them in 2 different sizes, as well as 2 different size candlesticks. Both are from Dollar Tree. This is the larger, this is the smaller one. I did have a time getting these stickers off of these candle holders, but I got it off. But I picked up 2 of these different sizes again. And then I picked up 4 bags, and I probably will not use all of them. We will see, of these acorns. Now I seriously thought about painting these, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna keep them the original color here. So what I'm gonna do here, very simple, and I could hot glue this if I want to, and I'm going to take my cylinder and my candle holder, and this is the smaller one, and I'm going to insert this candle holder like this, and then I'm going to fill the acorns at the bottom. All right, very simple. So I'm going to turn the camera down and show you my process. Easy peasy, and I'll show you the end result. So again, this is the smaller cylinder. I'm going to insert the smaller candle holder, and then I'm going to open my bags of acorns and fill them in. There's one. I can probably put more in here. I'll go on and put the entire bag. There is one. The taller one, like so. Now I'm noticing on this taller one, it has a little bubble down here on the bottom. When you purchase yours, make sure it is smooth. here they are, my 2 candle holders. I'm gonna go get some tea light candles to place in the top, and I'll show you how I have it on my coffee table. Stay tuned. Well guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by simply pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And when you subscribe to the channel, don't forget to click the notification bell up top so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can also be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.